Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal for easy money transfers while studying abroad, full guide step by step clearly. To use PayPal for easy money transfers while studying abroad, start by ensuring you have a PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or download the app from your device's app store. Create an account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Complete the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Next, link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. Choose from the options provided and follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once your account is set up, log into PayPal. To send money, click on the Send and Request tab. Enter the email address or mobile number of the recipient. Input the amount you wish to send in your preferred currency. Select the type of payment as sending to a friend for personal transactions. Add a note if desired, then review the transaction details. Click the Send Payment Now button to complete the transfer. To receive money, share your PayPal email address with the sender. Once they send the money, you'll receive a notification. You can check your balance on the PayPal app or website. If needed, withdraw funds to your linked bank account by selecting the Transfer to Bank option. Choose the amount you want to transfer and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Remember that international transfers may incur fees based on the amount and currency conversion. Ensure you understand PayPal's policies on currency conversions to avoid unexpected charges. Using these steps, you can enjoy hassle-free money transfers while studying abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.